Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It's 1:10 in the afternoon. Yan. At aalis kami. So, lalakad kami guys kasi maganda yung araw, hindi siya umuulan ngayon. Pero tingnan nyo, nakaganito na kami. Kasi maginaw na siya guys dito sa Brisbane. Winter na kasi. But not as cold as Melbourne. Kasi yung mga kaibigan ni Daddy Mike nagsisend sa kanya ng videos, photos sa Melbourne and maulan, sobrang ginaw. So dito, meron pa ring araw. Nakakapag-shorts pa rin kami guys. So ayan, kita ba? Kahit winter. Pero ang ating Lini ay naka-cardigan, tsaka naka-jeans. Naka-jeans! Say hello. Hello everyone. I'm wearing jeans. Parang hindi halata na, walang masyadong tulog. Nag-iipin na rin kasi to guys. So, at the moment, dalawa sa taas, dalawa sa baba na diba yung ipin niya. Nakikita ko, sa taas, may parang puti na nalalabas. Dalawa din. Paiyak-iyak siya kapag gabi guys. Kaya hindi maganda yung tulog namin. Sobrang aga niya gumigising. Kahapon, alas 3. Kanina, better kanina, mga alas 5 kanina. So, it's not too bad. And, news pa. So, kahapon ay, ayan. Tignan nyo ang aking hair. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon guys kasi hectic. Kasi ang tawag dito. Parang ayaw ko nga magpagawa ng buhok ko kahapon kasi nga nag-aalala ako dito ba kasi nag-iipin. Pero to the rescue naman yung daddy niya. Si daddy yung nagbantay muna sa kanila habang nagpagawa si mami ng hair. Kaya ayan. Medyo na siya guys, hindi na siya too bright kasi sabi ko sa what's wrong Sabi ko sa hairdresser na parang low maintenance ba? Yeah? Give me hair tie, be I'll tie your hair. Come here. Okay, come say hi to tita and tita. Alam niyo, ako sa salon kahapon, umiyak pa talaga ako guys. Kasi, alam niyo, it's over a year since the last time na nagpagawa ako ng buhok. Kaya medyo ako ba kasi palaging nasa akin si Baby Celine, like 25-8, ganun. Tapos ngayon, malalayo ako ng ilang oras kasi ilang oras yung paggawa ng buhok. Knock. But Daddy Mike, did a great job looking after the kids yesterday. Kaya ayun, nakapagpaano si mami nyo. Medyo maglalighten pa to siya guys, konti kapag na liguan na ba? Say, here. Hello everyone.
Oh yeah.
Kami anak, say hi ba? Dito, tita. Bihisan na rin ng ating Ate Paris. Si Celine ay nandun na sa kanyang tatay. Hindi na makapaghintay. Yung tatay niya, gustong ito yung ipasuot. Pero ayoko guys, ito yung itatali ko kasi mas, pag nakatali. Say hi sa tita and tito eh.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi, right first.
Not too close, anak. They can see you. Alam niyo ba, tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata guys. Ito siya masyadong maganda yung pakiramdam niya. So the last few days, she hasn't been well. Meron siyang cough and cold. But you're getting better, aren't you? Yes?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Better.
Better?
Feeling a bit better.
Feeling a bit better?
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah, a bit. It's been really tiring, guys, for the last few days. Oh my goodness. Si Celine na nag-iipin. Ito siya, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Hindi maganda yung tulog ko talaga, guys. But kaya nga kahapon, sobrang iyak ko talaga doon sa hairdresser ba. Kasi, binook ko kasi yung hairdresser, guys, a month ago. And, hindi ko naman inakala na, kahapon ay mag-iipin si Celine. Tapos doon, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. But then, yes, Daddy Mike was like, think about yourself, sabi niya. Don't worry about us, we are fine. So, kaya ayun. Nakapunta ako ng hairdresser. Goodness. So, kanina umaga, guys, umalis na pala kami. Naglakad-lakad kami kaninang maaga. So, nag-breakfast na kami sa labas. What did you have for breakfast now?
Cereal.
I mean, like, outside.
Cereal.
Yeah, we had cereal, yeah?
Yeah.
In the morning. But then, the one at the shop, the cafe, what did you have? What did you have?
Banana bread.
Nasa sasakyan na si Manang Biday. Nagbibiron. Hindi to siya, baby bottle talaga, guys, ha? Mukha lang siya. O, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Ang laki na. Ang laki na ng bangag. Ayan. So, nilalagyan ko lang ng ano, kasi gustong-gusto niyang dyan uminom ba. So, ito yung kanyang, what are you drinking, anak?
Candy juice.
Candy juice? Yan yung binibigay ko sa kanya, guys, yung para sa constipation niya ba. Ayan. You like it? Na-enjoy niya kapag dyan niya nilalagay.
And I also make a stop.
Show me. Give me one.
Oh, these are for being good at the park.
Okay. So later?
So I can give you one now if you want.
Okay. I'll be good, I promise.
Okay.
Ang ating babysitting na yan.
Make your promise, okay?
Sleeping Beauty. Okay. I'll do my promise. Thank you. What will happen if I don't do my promise?
You won't get stuff.
Okay. But I got stamp already.
Of course, because you're making your thing. You're being good.
I'm being good?
Yeah, do you know what I said? If you be good, you can get one.
Okay. Alright. Thank you.
But just one.
Yeah.
Just one at a
Okay.
time.
We'll go now,
And
okay?
when you be good again, I'll give you another one and the other one.
Okay. Thank
Me,
you.
I got some more running.
Oh, yeah, you got two. You put it for yourself. Good job.
Don't let me this is for later. Like
Hello, Daddy.
Hello,
Ready na yan siya sa kanyang music, oh.
welcome everybody.
I like music.
Music? What song would you like Daddy to play na?
No, I'm not asking.
What are you playing? Alright, guys. It's now 1:44, so alis na kami. See you there! Yeah, just I was like, can't even like, say for grand.
I can't.
That's what I mean. Nini is still asleep.
Wait.
Hi! She's still sleepy, Bob.
Why?
Daddy, she's still sleepy. Just put her down. She's still sleepy.
How happy?
Ipuka na sad. Ate Paris is there. Dinala namin yung kanyang bike.
My bike just here.
Why not?
But it's too bumpy.
Is it bumpy?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Be,
A little bit.
be, baby. Come on, try. It's not bumpy.
Say.
Just make sure you hit the brakes right away. Okay? Okay, hit the brakes right away. Wow, alam niyo ba yung bike na yan, guys? Binili namin from Op Shop. Payukay ba? $15. Huh?
Just ride up this.
Come on, doing well. Lily!
You know what you're doing, puppy?
Come on.
Can you hold my bike?
Yeah. Gay na.
Can you hold it so I don't fall?
You're not gonna fall, ate. See, I'm here. I'm here. Come on.
No, hold it.
Okay, I'll hold you. Dito kami ngayon sa baba ng Story Bridge, guys.
Yeah.
And,
Boys.
yan yung malaking bridge dito.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going. Look where you're going, anak. Ayan, andyan sa taas, oh. Oh. Dito kami sa baba kasi last time nag-drive kami dito pero hindi kami nag-stop. Pagpasensyahan niyo na ang aking pagsasalita, guys, kasi meron akong mouth ulcer, tongue ulcer pala. Nasa tip talaga ng aking dila. So. Come on. You can do it. Push.
I just have to push my pedals.
Yep. Okay, keep going. Woohoo! Woohoo! Big girl. Woohoo!
Push. Good, yeah.
Such a big girl, anak. Great job. Are you enjoying it? Yes? Careful. Here's the bridge. Sobrang cute dito. Diyan sa end na yan dyan, merong playground. Doon namin dadalhin ng mga chikiting.
When it starts to fall,
Mm.
you have to put your leg down.
Like that, yep.
When it starts to fall down,
Mm-hmm.
so we don't hurt ourselves.
Maganda to siya, guys, kasi kapag pag pinedal mo siya pabalik, reverse, brake siya. Good job, ate.
When it starts to fall, just go like that.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm doing, like a ballerina.
Yes. See? Bridge. Ayan yung tip ng bridge. Oh. Where do you wanna go? Oh, is that a cafe as well?
I just want to go here.
Uh,
Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Big girl siya, mama. Big girl. Have a look at Ate Paris.
Like, can you figure out it goes down?
Okay, go. Ay.
Do
Yay.
you want me to meet you there while I get a beer, or do you want to go home?
Huh?
Do you want me to meet you at the park while I get a beer, or do you want to come?
Yeah, we'll go to park.
Yeah. Maybe.
Dad, when we come to the park, there's a shut up and play with us.
Yeah.
Then you come back.
Be careful, please. Ayan yung park, oh guys, the playground. And then the water is just there.
I see where the P is?
Mm.
And straight ahead, that's the park.
Yeah. Napakaganda dito, guys. Grabe. Nakno, do you like it here? Minis Daddy Mike ng beer, guys. Ayan, so hinintay namin. Hello to Paris. Are you loving your bike?
Yeah, but
Pinag-jacket ko na ako kasi
I'm
ginawa na.
sorry, I can't go in it.
Huh?
Sorry, I can't go in it.
Why not? Why not? Dito sana namin gustong dalhin yung mama ni Daddy Mike nung pumunta siya dito last time. But kasi nga wala tayong sasakyan noon, kaya hindi namin siya nadala dito. Alam niyo ba, dito siya malayo sa bahay, guys. Very close lang. Nak na! Nak na! But guess what? Nak, who's coming soon?
Daddy?
No.
To Melbourne? My letter?
No, who's coming here soon?
Little Karen.
Yes, correct. So, once again, babalik ng Brisbane yung lula ni Ate Paris tsaka ni Baby Celine, guys. So, nagustuhan niya yung Brisbane. Of course kasi, yun na, nandito yung mga apo niya, but and that's given naman. Pero, parang nagustuhan din naman talaga niya yung area dito, guys. So, yung, especially itong lugar na to, for sure, magugustuhan to niya kapag nakita niya to. But nandito siya, yung mga lugar na napuntahan namin, yung mga area, gustong-gusto niya talaga. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike na baka mag-move yan si Mother Earth na yun. Mother Earth, hindi ako makapagsalita. Sobrang sakit. Yung Mother Earth daw niya ay baka mag-move din dito sa sa Brisbane. So, we'll see how it goes. Kasi meron siyang bahay sa Melbourne eh, mahirap.
Can I go to your house?
Yes.
Can
Do you know how many sleeps little Karen will be here? 20? Abe, what's the day today?
Sunday.
Ooh! I think yung lula niya darating dito 27th. So, it will be 22 days. Nandito na yung lola niya. Eh! And where are we going? Where are we going pag nandito na si lola na?
We're going to park and when I was in the bike ride.
No, you remember? What did Daddy say?
No,
We're going to the beach.
I'm telling something to them.
Oh, okay. What are you trying to say? Come here.
When I was riding my bike,
Hmm?
just
Yeah. What happened?
I fell down the bike. But lucky I didn't get boo-boos.
You didn't get a boo-boo?
When I fall I went like,
Hmm.
and I
Linya?
went to the,
Wow! Dawat din sila na. You okay? Si Bambam okay?
it's okay.
That's good. That's good. I love you girls. I love you ate.
I love you, Nini, mommy.
I love you Lini. I love you.
You're Nini, my head. You're Nini.
Alam niyo, very sweet tong ating ate Paris, guys. Kasi every time sinasabihan niya talaga si Lini na I love you Lini. Ay, gosh! Yum yum? Yum yum?
What the?
And yeah, this time, yung lola nila, magstay siya dito longer. So last time, nandito siya for 1 week. But this time around, 2 weeks yata siya magsistay dito. So, more time na
Is this
mag-spend
my
with the, with the apus.
Is that my light?
No, it's not. No light, anak. It's no light mo na anak. Ka bike mo, anak.
The bikes have lights and big bikes.
Yum. Yummy? Yummy? I'm drinking some water.
I don't know.
I don't know. Ay, nak. This girl is on fire. Sing that song.
He's just a girl and he's on fire. The fantasy. He's just a girl and he's on fire.
Oh. Do it properly.
Got her hand up, and he's
You want to
burning.
put your other sock?
Missing. Good job!
Okay, watch out for Winnie.
Missing ang socks ni Lini.
Now I can.
Maginaw siya guys kapag wala ka sa ilalim ng araw ba? Ha? I'll ride your bike. Na. Off she goes. Diyan yung city guys oh. Yung city sa harapan. May mga nag-ano pa dyan oh, speedboat. Come on! Go on the slide! Mas kita yata dito yung ng beach guys. Ayan. Okay. Woo! Good job. Well done. We'll get something to eat. Daddy, where's Daddy and Celine? Tingnan niyo si Celine guys oh.
But I want
She's standing.
Okay, give me one.
Big girl. Kitang-kita pala yung city from here guys oh. Hmm? Yes, nak? Tingnan niyo si Inday Badiday, oh. Oh, oh, oh. you going? Where are you going? Yan. Yan yung Story Bridge. Diyan. There. City. Naghahanap to ng pagkain ba? Mukhang pagkain tong batang to. Nalungkap giday. Tagna ko pa. Celine, what are you up to, anak? Rini. What are you looking for, baba? Hala. To aragi pang bungkag na. Do you need mama's help, nak? Do you want water? Oh, shush, mama, oy. Mama, oy. Here. That's Ati's snack. Here, oh. That's Ate man. Here. It's yours. Oh, shush, kaluoy man sa bata man. Ay, giuhaw man di ay, oy. Oh, shush, giuhaw. Kulang. Giuhaw day ka, nak. Mama, oy. Huwag mo ko pa nagtubig, oy. What's that, nak? Bird. Sundon yung bird. Nini. We will go for a walk. Malapit dito sa ano, guys. Water. Yay. Oh, shush! Ang ating bata. Agoy.
Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay on my side and never let go. Oh, I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go numb. Days until my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Clock na ng gabi. At nag-start ng mag-iyak-iyak ang ating baby girl. Kasi kapag gabi, ay yun yung crying time niya. Kapag sa araw, guys, wala siyang problema. She's fine. Siguro pag sa tingin ko talaga ay nag-iipin tong lumalabas yung ipin niya dito, dalawa ba? Ako napakahirap magsalita with the tong sir ba? Kasi normally, di ba, yung pag nag-iipin sa gabi, siguro sa gabi parang nagmo-movie yung teeth. Kaya kapag sumasapit na yung gabi, ay yun na ang ating sayaw-sayaw time. Buti nga to siya. Tulog ba? Ay, hindi. Open pa lang kanyang mga beautiful eyes.
Mine, you know what I'm doing?
What is that, eh?
Playing the hay.
Not with the water, anak. Is that the TV, Baba? Do something else. Please?
I just did it.
Yeah, not the TV, honey. It's okay. It's alright. How about the glass?
What
The door and the windows.
I help you play.
Thank you. Yung daddy nila wala dito guys, nag-gym. Umuwi kami kanina mga 4 o'clock. Sabi niya, since it's, ano pa naman, early pa, nag-gym muna siya. Hindi ako makakapagluto ng ano. Nilabas ko na yung aming meat. Para sa dinner ba, magluluto sana ako ng stir fry. Kaya nga lang, ito ay paiyak-iyak. You okay? Nabasa pa to yung shirt niya ngayon kasi binigyan ko siya ng ice. Parang pinaano ko siya sa ice ba? Kasi maganda daw yun para magnam yung ano. Nakatulog daw siya kanina eh. Umigising lang talaga para umiyak. Pero ngayon, paano na naman? Close na naman ang ganyang mata. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Mga bata. Ang new 3 o'clock. Minsan mahating gabi. Gising para umiyak. So, sayo-sayo na naman si mama niya, guys. Hala, naku, samad yun na. Your hair. Tingnan niyo sa Ate Paris, guys, oh. Can you tell Tita what you're doing?
I'm washing the house.
She's washing the house. Good on you, anak.
But not the TV.
Yeah, not the TV, anak. Not with the water.
I do the hair. I'm doing the hair now.
Hintayin ko lang si Daddy Mike para pag makauwi na yan siya yung maghawak dito. Kasi gusto kong ako magluto ngayon. Gusto ko ng stir fry ba? Buti na lang siguro mag-vlog tayo na. Kasi hindi ka umiiyak kapag nagsasalita si mama ba? Mama. Kanina, hindi ako nag-vlog. Grabe guys, sobrang iyak niya. Non-stop. Nakauwi na si Daddy. Siya muna yung pinahawa ko kay Celine. Ang kapagluto akong dinner.
It's cute.
Ayan. I'm cooking this beef stir fry. Oyster sauce. And ito. Kinat na. Para diretsyohan na ba? Well, cut. And then, alam niyo ba? My goodness. So, itong ating, tawag dito, rice cooker ay nasira, guys. Last night, nagluto ako ng kanin. Tapos, hindi pa siya luto. Hindi na siya wala ng light ba na lumalabas. Sabi ni Daddy, baka daw, short circuit or something. Nasira na siya. Kailangan namin bumili ng bagong, rice cooker. Yung na lang, sapat na lang tayo. Sanay naman tayo sa kaldero magluto. Walang problema. Yan yung kinalakihan natin. Yung problema ko lang, guys, is itong ang tawag dito?
She's just a girl.
Itong lutuan ba? Ito siya. Kasi parang hindi mo siya na kokontrol ng mabuti kumpara doon sa yung gas. Itong electric kasi na ganito. Ang hirap, guys, kasi parang sobrang init, sobrang lamig. Hindi ko matansyahan ba? But, anyways, make it work.
She's just a girl.
Gawin mo na siya, guys. Siya, silining here, Daddy B. Kawawa, ay baby. Hindi talaga magandang pakiramdam yan. Naanak pa kapag hindi magandang pakiramdam. Come to mommy. Mama.
Ang dali, mama.
May. Tingnan niyo ang mukha, guys. Tingnan niyo ang mukha. Tingnan niyo ang mukha. It's okay. Okay. Pero pag sa akin guys, umiiyak siya. She's crying when I'm holding her baba. If you do,
Because she loves me.
can you hold her? Daddy? Oh, guys, oh,
Come on. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come.
Okay, okay. Hindi siya umiiyak kapag daddy niya. Magluto na tayo para mapakapunan. Pero pag sa akin, manyak eh, guys. Iba pag mama, no? Isang sakong bigas. Ayan, luto na ang ating stir fry, guys. So, hapunan na tayo. And, ang ating kanin. Oh my God, I'm so happy, guys. Sino nyo? Ito yung kay Daddy Mike. Ito yung sa akin. May dukot. Oh my God. Sobrang na-excite ako kasi kapag sa rice cooker, di ba, walang nangyayaring ganito. Ito yung hala, ang ating camera. Ito talaga yung pinaka-paborito ko, guys. Kahit nung bata pa talaga ako. Pag kumakain kami, yung sa ilalim ng kaldero, yun talaga yung sa akin. Kasi, kaya nyo, oh, may dukot. Ano bang tawag dun sa Tagalog, guys? Hindi ko alam. Good morning. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog last night. Kasi, wala na. Iyak-iyak na. Kaya, 2 o'clock ay gising na naman kami. Diba? Pinainom ko siya ng panado last night. At hindi niya talaga naubos yung ano. Kasi dapat 5 meal. Pero hindi niya talaga inainom, guys. She had some of it, at least half. Tapos nakatulog siya. Natulog kami. Tapos nagising na naman siya. Okay, okay. Tapos itong kanyang pacifier, nilagay ko sa freezer para maginaw ba? Para makatulong sa gums niya. It's okay. You will feel better soon, Mera. You will feel better soon. Pagkalabas namin, guys, na-shock ako kasi linis ng bahay. Naglinis ko kasi Daddy Mike kagabi. Naglinis siya ng bahay. Basta ang linis-linis na tingnan. Langgo ni Mama. Ayun. Ay, nagkakape pala ako para hindi ako antukin. Patulog na to siya ulit. Try ko patulog. Yung tatay niya kasi, diyan natulog sa couch. Hindi siya magigising mo. Work pa yan. Mamaya. Babay na ta. We'll end the vlog now, guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, tita, tito, bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye like that. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? See you sa next vlog. Take care.